Heavenly Father will shake my hand and say, you've done an awesome job, Kevin. Now it's our time to go out and set the world free. And we can do it together, but mostly me. You and me, but mostly we are gonna change the world. 'Cause I can do most anything. Every hero needs a sidekick. Every captain needs a mate. Every dinner needs a side dish. Now we're seeing eye to eye. It's so great we can be. Heavenly Father has chosen me, but mostly me. Something incredible. I'll do something incredible. I want to be the morning that changes all mankind. Something I've received. Now that I'm 19, I'll do something incredible that blows God's freaking mind. Out of my way. And there's no limit to what we can do, me and you. But mostly me.